Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I did this dish last week and posted it, and I had so many requests for a video on how to do this. This is the most easiest, simplest barbecue fish dish in the whole world. I call it fish in a bucket with rice. Right, so fish on the barbecue. How simple is that, right? Lemon pepper. Don't be shy with the lemon pepper. Sea salt. It's not coming out, take off the lid. That's it folks, easy, eh? Right. Rice, pre-washed. Bucket of water. 3 cups of rice and 9 cups of water, so 3 times, yeah? Pop that in there like that. Put it back. Saffron rice, saffron. That's it. Give that a little twirl. Barbecue thermometer. Easy peasy. It's on 41 degrees at the moment because that's how bloody hot it is here in Mexico. Right, we pop this on the fattest part of the fish, right, if he will stay up. In the head, I'm using mesquite wood. This is beautiful, gives a nice soft, mellow, smoky flavour to my dish. So I think we'll pop one more in there, like so. Leave it, close the lid, let that pump up to over 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That is, my goodness, well over 200 degrees Celsius. Take a look at that rise right now. Fish is in, timer's on, time to sit down, relax, go and get a cold one. Yes folks, it's as easy as that. Right, see you later. Fish. Still just over 400 degrees. Let's have a look at this baby, shall we? Oh, look at that folks, look at that. Nice, beautiful, fluffy saffron rice, and god damn hot that one is. Yes. Super piping hot in the middle, which tells me my fish is ready. Easy way to tell. Just pull back the skin. And there you go. Yeah, that just lifts off the bone. Right, let's see what the family think. Isn't that, folks, the easiest barbecue fish and rice dish in the world? Barbecue fish and rice in a bucket. How simple is that, folks? Right, dinner time. Going to enjoy that. Yeah. Yum. Look how soft that is. Who's in first, Diggs? Come on. Cousin Laura. Juicy. Nice and soft. Look at that. Wow.
It's really good.
See how that just falls off the bone? Very mild, smoky flavour.
I think so too.
Toby, as I said this afternoon, this one, easiest dish. This is for you. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Check out my cookbooks, Wicked Wild Barbecue and the Thai Cookbook, both on Amazon. Check out my memorabilia on the Chef Shop logo at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, folks, and bon appetit.